Everyone, in this short video I am going to cover the search feature in Easily Web OPAC 6.2a version. As you see, this is the home page and the search bar is provided at the top over here. You will be able to search by title, author, publisher and many more fields. Let me put at title as data mining. Let's see what it displays. So software has searched in the entire catalog and says that okay, so many books are available and you are able to see and filter by title, author, publishers and many more. Here I can filter it by let's say one particular author. Only those books are listed. So now I clear it. So these are the results. I'll click on this data mining. And let's see here the details of this particular data mining book. Initially, catalog primarily meant these particular fields like title, author, class number and so on. Now in the internet world, you have the ability to catalog extensively a certain book. That's why on the left side, you have the ability to scan and link the cover page, the spine, the table of contents, the back page, the publisher words and many more contents over here to this particular title. And on the right side you are able to see the links. These are the PDF copies of the book, the extensive information that could be available on the web, the additional material that you may have. All of these can be linked over here. So let me click on this learn more about data mining. So it takes to the external link that you have cataloged for this particular book. Let me go back here, and here you have the ability to see the list of the copies in your library. 4 copies, 1 issued and 3 are available. Here you have the ability to link multiple books related to this particular book. So here are the total 5 books I am able to see. If I click on this title, I am going to be able to see the details of this specific title. Basically it's designed to help the students find the book that they require. So let me go back to this, and here you have the ability to see the comments of this particular book, as well as the students have the ability to add a comment over here. Let me go back to the home page. Here itself you would be able to filter by, let's say here I'll put it as a author, as a Pujari. Let me see and search. So software goes and finds out what are the data mining related books with the title as data mining and author is Pujari. Okay, so these are the 3 books that we are seeing over here. Let me go back to the main page. In addition, you can provide multiple links on the home page itself. One of the link that you may like to see is this entire catalog. All the catalog is listed over here with the ability for the patrons to search on what they would like to filter the contents. Say if I go here, I can filter on the title, I can put the accession number range, authors and many more fields. I can filter the contents, and I also have the ability to select or deselect some of the fields, so that if I would like to take a quick print of this, I am able to select only the fields that I require and take a print out of this list over here. Here I can get 100 items or 10 items, 20, how many ever you would like, until you narrow down to the search that you want to perform. I'll cover remaining features in the next video. Thank you so much.